Hey guys, today I'm going to teach on how to check the price on comments in YouTube, and all you have to do is to launch the YouTube application. And from here, first of all, we can check on the bell notifications, and in the case that you did comment and someone decided to mention you, you're going to see them here, or you can tap on the mentions and you will see them here. Another alternative is to head on over to your profile, and then tap on Google account, and then tap on data and privacy. Scroll down until you see your YouTube history here. You're going to tap on this arrow, then you're going to tap on manage history, and then from here you're going to tap on the interactions, then you're going to tap on your comments, likes and dislikes. And in the case that you do have any comment, dislikes on YouTube comments, you're going to see them here, or you're going to tap on your comments and replies, and as you can see, I do have one here. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.